Hey, we're back. I got my power supply back from the repair place. They fixed it up, and I'm gonna put it back in here and see if this isn't this would be like a part two to this. I got it open. I'm gonna put my board back in here and hope to not plug something in wrong and have a fire. That'd be bad. I don't want that. So let's put this on the tripod and I'll see about hooking this bitch back in. This actually sat it for a month at the repair place because I forgot to pick it up. So I actually could have had this done before Christmas, but I didn't. No. Alright, let's see. Can we give you a shot? Probably not. Alright. Need my screwdriver. I have my screwdriver. Fuck. I found my screwdriver. Are we in the frame? Do we care? No. Who's gonna see this? Maybe one view? Maybe one? One thumbs down, a bunch? I don't know. Luckily the screws didn't get dropped into the cabinet, and let's see if we can get this in. Yeah. Alright, I'm just going to put 3 in, and then we'll just plug this in and make sure it works. Let me just take this off the camera. I mean the tripod. Okay. Now I don't know if this will fix my display problem, because I was talking to the guy. He thinks it might be this this board where all the displays plug in. I don't know if you remember, I had 2 displays out on the bottom, but we'll see. And I just gotta plug all these wires back in to try and remember which ones they were. And is it on this side? I don't remember. We'll see. I don't think I can plug this in wrong. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. goes there. Where does this go? I think that goes in there, like so. I think. I don't know. Might be wrong. What? I think that goes there, I believe. What the fuck? I'm missing a wire here. It sounds like there should be something plugged into here. Where the hell is this thing? Oh. Okay, I think this is it. This it? Shit, let me put this down for that. Right. Okay. I think these are all the right ones. Guess we'll find out. Or I'll find out. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's all out. It all goes in. I believe so. Alright. I think I need to plug it in. Let me see. I don't think you can see this, but I'm just going to plug it in. And we're going to see what happens. Alright, doesn't kick on yet. Should boot up. Hopefully. Please don't fire. Please don't fire. Oh, cool. Let's see what's going on here. No, it looks like the bottoms are still out. Alright, so I'm going to have to take a look at that. Yeah, they're out still. Damn it. So it might be this thing here. Possibly. I don't know. Find out. We'll figure it out. But it should, this time it should play when I hit the start button. Let's see here. Let's get this out of here. I'm just going to close the door up. Should still be on free play. Why is it so dark looking? Is it always like that? Am I missing lights here? Or maybe it's just because I'm used to having the thing shut. Seems to be going. Alright. Let's hit the start button, see what it does.
Engine will be powered.
Alright, shot the ball out. So that's good. Of course I can't play with one hand. Alright. Good. So far so good. So far, pretty much everything's running but those displays, so. Alright, I'll have to talk to the guy and see what, take that other board out and see if that's the problem. But at least I can play it now, which is great. I'm gonna close this door up. Sweet. Alright, let me turn it off real quick. Alright, sweet. Just put this on the tripod. Let's see here, can I give her a short little play here? Make sure everything else is going. Sorry, I'm not, I don't really want to edit this video today. Okay, I think that'll do. Alright, why is this so loud?
Vengeance will be ours.
Fuck. I knew I was gonna do that. As soon as I have this camera on me, I screwed up. Alright.
We'll be back, Jack.
Alright, we're good. It's a little off level. It's sitting on a hump in the floor right here. Because I had to move all the stuff around. Because like, my TV blew out and so all this stuff is all over the place. So I haven't really picked where I'm going to put this stuff. So it's just... it's completely off level. Because it used to be right here. And, you know, whatever. But, yeah, it looks good for now. I guess, we'll see about that other problem. And, I'm happy at the moment, so. Alright, I guess that's it. See you guys later in the next video, whenever I get to doing that. But, I'll see you. Bye.